Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is the week of December the 28th, right till January the 3rd, and there's some really hot deals over at Walgreens. We're talking free Poise pad, 99-cent Purex, and $1.67 Olay. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's fantastic. Now, if you are in a part of Michigan or the Midwest that's getting hammered by a really bad storm, stay home because these deals are all week, and be safe out there. And a big thumbs up on this video for being safe outside, and hype the video if you like the content as well. You're really doing me a huge favor. We are talking about Christmas clearance as well. Walgreens is still at 50%. I know a lot of you are just here for Walgreens, so we're still at 50%. I believe on January the 2nd or the 1st, it's probably going to hit 70, and then soon after 80. It did not go past 80 last year. And just a quick reminder, this booster is still ongoing. I did it very successfully in store this morning, but it does end on Wednesday the 31st, so you won't be able to use it for the tail end of the week. Just a quick reminder, but I'm sure a lot of you are already on it. Tomorrow, which is the 29th of December, Monday, we're going to look at a deal utilizing some of these different boosters with the 10 off 40, but we're doing it curbside. So make sure you have all of these loaded. And if, again, you're in a really bad storm area, we're still going to have some great deals to do curbside. Okay, so this morning I went into the store looking for my Purex for $1.99, original price $8.99, so that they don't give this stuff away. And this is the sales price this week, $1.99, and it's going to be right till the 3rd. Over on Ibotta, there is $1 back with a limit of up to 2, so it's dropping this guy down to 99 cents. You're either going to have it in your Walgreens category, or you can submit it for any grocery store under that category. This is going to go really quick, guys, so Aunt Rach is suggesting you go do this right away, and you need a physical receipt, so I recommend to do this in store, if you can drive to your store. And with Ibotta, it's absolutely fantastic. And if you have not signed up, sign up today. And when you submit your first qualifying receipt, you're given an extra $5. Make it the Purex deal, because this floats in and out of Walgreens all the time. 99-cent Purex, yes. Grabbing 2 of these Purexes, it's going to be $3.98 at $1.99 a pop. After you pay for it, you're going to photograph your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back. The final price point is $1.98 for the 2, or 99 cents per detergent. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but you need that physical receipt for Ibotta. Now, guys, I also did ask the cashier to price check this for me because it was not tagged, because there's also $1 back on these pods, and it was ringing up $8.99. I don't know if it's just my market or what the deal is, but these were part of it the last time. They were not for me. So don't assume, always ask for a price check, especially if it's not tagged. Deal, we're going to do this curbside, meaning you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. You're hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check. You're putting into your basket 3 of these 20-count Poise pads for $21, and we have a 6 off 2 digital coupon. Load that as well. Complete WAG 10 and type in SFA 25 for $3.75 off, along with your 6 off a 2 digital coupon. The overall basket is $21. FSA 25 taking $3.75 off, along with the $6 digital. $12.29. You can use up to $10 in Walgreens cash, and then you're given back $10 in Walgreens cash for buying 3 units of these Poise pads. Do this deal right away. When you go to get your order, make sure to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register, because Ibotta is either going to give you back $1.50 or 75 cents with the limit of up to 1 bag. The time ticker of death is there, meaning you have 1 day left to do this. So if you need these incontinence pads, make it happen, guys. And you're either given 75 cents or $1.50 with Ibotta. With the $1.50, I think it's a freebie. 75 cents, super uber cheap. Go and make this one happen, and you have to do it curbside to use that coupon code digitally, SFA25 as well. The next super deal that we have is on the Tresemme for $6, $4 reward when you purchase two. Lots of stores have the Tresemme on clearance. So if you wanted to test two of the clearance, unfortunately, I could not do it this morning because all of the clearance was gone. But we have this 4 off 2 digital coupon. It was attaching to clearance a couple weeks back, so that's nice. Grabbing two of these, it's $12. Subtracting that coupon, and we're just talking regular price, not clearance, it would be $8. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $4 for the two or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay if you're doing the deal with no booster. Cheap dental care. This is the week to stock up. Either the 350 Oral-B brushes or the 350 Crest paste. $5 reward when you purchase three. And this morning we were given this Christmas gift, which is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. So make sure you have that friend loaded. Okay, so three of these is $10.50. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. Get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the three or 16 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance if you're doing this deal with no booster, but 16 cents for either toothbrushes or toothpaste. Stock up, guys, is a very good price point. Colgate toothpaste for $4 with a $3 reward when you purchase two. We got a 4 off of 2 for the paste and then a 4 off of 2 for the mouth rinses or the toothbrushes. So just going with the paste, load that 4 off of 2. Grabbing two of these toothpaste, it's going to be $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for two or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I know my husband really loves that optic white, so this is definitely a deal that I'm throwing into the mix this week. We also have a deal on the L'Oreal Elvive. I know a lot of you love this shampoo. Again, if there's some on clearance in your area, possibly this might work with it. We have a 3 off of 2 digital manufacturer and a 3 off of 2 store coupon. So this is $6 off. They currently are 2 for $11. Subtracting that 3 off 2 manufacturer and the 3 off 2 store, that's $6 melting off. You're paying 5 for 2 or $2.50 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Was sadly not tagged at my store, but we're looking for the P&G laundry care products at $5.49 each. When you buy 4 of them, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Multiple girls on social media were saying that register reward was not printing this morning, so just keep that in mind. And for just the regular schmegular Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, Bounce, and Downy, I only see dollar digital coupons. I think some of the flings might have $2 ones on your account, but I did not have them. $21.96 for an assortment of them. Subtracting $1 off of each, you're going to pay $17.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $12.96 for the 4 or $3.24 per unit. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your register reward. Cheap and friendly little deal is on the Febreze small spaces, and this guy is like $3 and some change this week. It's not even tagged. We have a $2.50 digital, making it 99 cents. That was in the flyer. So yeah, load this coupon. We'll make a deal happen with it. And then a lot of makeup has new digital coupons, including this $3 off of Maybelline New York. Lots of cosmetics if it's on clearance at your store. This would make it 79 cents for one of these foundations. So if that's your thing, definitely stock up. Unfortunately, I could not find any CoverGirl on Ibotta or CoverGirl in the app, but there's lots of also 70% off clearance foundations, lipsticks, mascaras. If you can line something up with digital coupons or even register rewards, if you want to stock up on makeup, make it happen. I really wanted to test this one deal out, but when I went to the store, all of the deodorant I found a couple days back, it was all cleared. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off. And we have some deodorant on clearance, but it's no longer a thing at my store. But if you can find it on clearance, this might be a deal for you guys. So we have a 4 off 2 digital coupon you're going to load and then shimmy over to your Fetch Rewards account. And this app, if you want to sign up today, I think you're given an extra $2. First receipt, it could be anything Taco Bell. 3,000 points per dry spray. That's $6 back with Fetch. Another terrific app to sign up for today for all the new couponers. If you could track down 2 of these on clearance, that on a buy one get one 50% off, that would be $9.73. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $5.73. Get back a $2 register reward. Photograph that receipt back from Ibotta. It makes it basically free. I know it's kind of harder because I couldn't even track it down, but what a deal. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and double, triple check that we have the same fetch rebates. Okay, friends, now I'm going to show you my $40 basket. I did have one snag, but I have a really nice manager at my store who helped me out. What we're going to do is grab 2 of the Gillette, a men and a women's, because $6 reward when you buy 2 of them. And then 3 of those Olays as well, $5 reward when you purchase 3. And they were ringing up $7 this morning in store. These are the digital coupons that you're going to load, 3, 3, and that 5 off 3. And then I also threw into the mix to get a smaller out of pocket, a couple register rewards from last week, because they were expiring. And, I mean, I didn't want a huge out of pocket, but, 3 body washes, you'll find them in the regular body wash aisle. They had these on a sales price for $8, but it's back down to $7, so I'm happy about that. My fetch had a spend, I think it was $19, get back, $2.60, and I achieved that this morning. And double, triple check that your store is tagged with a $6 reward when you buy 2. My store wasn't, so I was kind of walking into this one blindly. But both of these, I think, were pictured in the ad, or at least the men's Gillette was. My $6 register reward did not print, but the manager just credited me. So that's the only snafu for me. But this should work out in theory perfectly. 3 of those Olay body washes for $21, and then 2 Gillettes for $21.98, $42.98. You have your e-booster loaded, the 10 back when you spend $40. You have $11 in digitals melting off, 6 for Venus Gillette, and 5 for Olay. With your debit card, pay $31.98. As you're using a spend $40 to earn back $10, you have to pay the balance with your debit card. You're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash for that booster, $11 in register rewards, and $2.60 back from Fetch for Olay, making it $8.38 for the 5 items, or $1.67 each. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash as you're using a spend booster. And I'm going to hang on to my receipt for a week because I have a feeling that maybe Ibotta might give us another rebate for Olay body wash, and I have up to 7 days to apply for it if something pops up. That's it for this video. Be safe on the roads out there, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.